Is it time to update your will? Well, that all depends on your circumstances. As a general rule of thumb, we say review your estate plan every 5 years. But that might be too long of a time for you because maybe something else is going on in your life. Maybe there has been a new child in the family, or a divorce, or a death, or maybe you have moved to a different state, or maybe there's some health change such that somebody who was healthy in the past is not healthy now, and they'll be inheriting from you. So whether or not your will is adequate really depends on a number of factors, including when did you have your will drafted? Was your will a robust will from the start? And what changes in circumstances are there in your family? At ELG Estate Planning, we have expertise in Medicaid. That means government benefits. So in our wills, we will include some trusts to protect the beneficiaries. Those trusts are what are called discretionary trusts. Sometimes they're called supplemental needs trusts. Sometimes people call them special needs trusts. What it means is that when somebody inherits under the will and they have some sort of either incapacity, they can't manage their money, they have lifestyle issues, maybe they receive government benefits, maybe they will in the future, they have long-term care needs, the list is very long. But the beneficiary, if they have a need for asset protection, in our wills, we'll make sure that they get that asset protection. Even if when they drafted that will, the person drafted the will 10 years ago, the person didn't need asset protection. Why is that? Because our wills are very robust. We anticipate the possibility that somebody will need asset protection, so our wills will contain some asset protection trust. Either it'll be mandatory because we know that person absolutely needs protection when the will was drafted, or it'll be what we call contingent because nobody needs asset protection, but we want to make sure that that trust is in the will. So how often do you update it, your will, your estate plan? When anything significant changes in your life, and frankly, if you have what often people refer to as a simple will or I love you will, take a look at your will. Is it 2 pages? It's not adequate. If your will does not have this discretionary supplemental needs trust that would protect somebody and allow them to use government needs-based benefits, if your will doesn't have that, then it would be time to go see your estate planning and elder law attorney.